up there and cut my electricity off, been living off of me. You and Fat Jason serving Satan. You serving Satan. You did it for Whoopi Goldberg when it came here. You did.
Really?
Really. You really did. Still in my air condition. Took it up in his house down there because the man that was down there in 2004 and 5 did it too. So he wouldn't have to buy air conditioning. He took mine. And that's how I got started. So they won't have to buy it. They got the serial number of what unit belong to. I've been here 26 years. I'm going to take no mess for me. You are nobody. You stop and you shut the hell up talking to me. These spirits are in here. These are souls of people. Because of the devil. And you serve him.